Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, today is just going to be a little treat, and I really do mean a little treat today. I'm about to give you guys on something a little different here. I'm about to go over to my buddy's house. We just did a review of his 56 Chevy Bel Air vehicle yesterday, and he basically invited me back today, guys, for a little treat that we're going to give you guys. He was bragging about this venison that he liked to cook. And I don't know if I told you guys, but Paul, he's a big game hunter and stuff. So he does all type of hunting, guys, and he's really good at it. So he's been bragging about this venison that he actually cook and stuff. It's a special recipe. So we're going to go over to his place, guys, and we're going to check out this venison recipe. And I'm going to take you guys along for a ride with me. Just to let you know, and I told you guys before, is that my YouTube channel isn't going to just be about, fast cars and trucks and stuff like that. It's kind of like the lifestyle as well, and my daily routine or things that I do during the day and through the week. So I just want to take you guys along with me, and I'm gonna cut you guys back on here in a few seconds. But I just want to give you guys a heads up as far as what I'm gonna be doing today. And it is a little different, but hey, I'm gonna try it and see how it goes, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And I'll cut you guys back on as soon as I get up pause. Hey, Cigar Man here, man, up here enjoying some eats. Up here got some venison on the grill with Bill Paul Bohr. I had to come back for round 2. I'm about to show you guys some of this venison, and I'm actually the test taster. Look at that, he got a special sauce. Paul, tell us about that sauce you got on there, buddy.
It's called dream sauce.
Dream sauce?
Make you dream crazy stuff.
Now, hey, I tell you what now, he's putting it on there, buddy.
It'll make venison taste like a filet mignon.
Really? Well, I'm going to let you know now.
You won't be disappointed.
Uh-oh. You said you're going to try it, Melissa?
Let's set you try it back. And
once it's well dead, she may try it now. My wife don't eat too much. Wait a minute, I got to take a picture of that now. I'm just trying to see how it looks real quick.
Check it out. Check it out.
Now, those look like some prime rib up in there, man. All right. I'm gonna get back with you guys once I try it. We're gonna taste this, and I'm gonna give my 100% rating on this venison. All right, guys. So, Paul, this is how. Go ahead, Paul. What'd you call that?
I'm scoring it so the base sinks in very well.
That's a sharp knife.
That's sharp, but the sharp bit on my wet rod.
See, this is the key to a lot of people don't know how to cook venison, man. And see, this is the key of getting that venison moist. But you can tell that venison is already tender. Look how tender that is. So now, one thing about venison, it normally have gamey taste. So you trying to tell me this doesn't have much gamey taste in it?
It don't have any gamey taste in it.
Come on now.
Not any.
So what you do before you marinate this? You put in salt, water, or something? Or?
No, washed it. Washed it in the sink.
So why wouldn't this have no gamey taste in it?
Because it's based and the Dale seasoning, I marinate it for 24 hours. I never cook any deer unless it's marinated for at least 24 hours.
Really? So that's the key right there, marinate for 24 hours.
For tenderness, and then this dream sauce.
Okay, so honestly, I know you call it dream sauce, but is that like a family recipe sauce or something? Or what is that sauce? Because I know you gave me the recipe for it, but I don't want to tell it nobody unless if it's a secret,
Yeah, a friend of mine asked me not to share it, so
well, okay.
Let's leave it at that. But I'll tell you this much: it starts out with a gallon of vinegar, a 10-ounce A1, and a 10-ounce Worcestershire, and some other stuff, and you just bring it to a boil. And the whole time you're cooking your deer, you do what I'm doing: baste it often and turn it off and cook it at slow heat.
Yeah.
It make you want to smack your mammy.
Well, I tell you what, you're doing a good job. You've been on it, man, non-stop, that's for sure. And I see you basically have to, tend to it. I mean,
yeah.
You put that sauce, you get to go ahead and lay it down. But I see you put that sauce on there like every,
Just every 2 or 3, I turn it every 2 or 3 minutes, and every time you turn it, baste it.
Wow, okay. All right, well, we're going to get back to it once it's almost cooked. This is the Paul shop dog right here, Brillo. Brillo got 2 color eyes. He's like the Matrix. Brillo, come here, boy. Show those pretty eyes of yours, man.
Oh, yeah. So I'll come over, all right. I like me some deer.
Realo ain't seen you. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I'm your buddy now.
I mean, you know, y'all ain't gonna in no time.
I'm your buddy, bud. He got some pretty eyes. Look at 2 color eyes. So, explain to me about Bird's Eye now.
Okay, I don't remember his first name, but
Okay.
I learned this in HVAC class in the refrigeration part.
Yeah.
If you freeze meat fast,
Uh-huh.
it creates small ice crystals, and if you freeze it slow, it creates large ice crystals, which when it unthaws, it makes the meat more, you know,
Tough.
Tough, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It just does damage to the meat, and it ain't good.
So I know before you was explaining to me, like whenever you out in the woods and you actually, you know, get a deer,
yeah.
and you go ahead and start field dressing everything. Now you do something different. For example, like the backstrap.
Yeah.
You do something different to your backstrap.
When I cut the backstrap out of the deer, I leave that white
membrane
on the back of the backstrap.
Okay.
I fold the meat to the inside.
Okay.
And vacuum pack it.
Okay.
And that keeps the meat from freezer burning. And when I cut that membrane off of the back, then you've got fresh meat there.
And you basically don't wash it off anything, and you put it straight in the freezer until you're ready to.
In the freezer. Hey, if it's got leaves on it, if it's got deer poop on it, it don't matter.
I may have to cut the deer poop out of here.
Yeah. I shouldn't have said that. If it's got leaves, dirt, it don't matter. Don't wash it. Because if you wash it, you're adding water and ice crystals to your meat.
That's true, yeah.
And it's just going to make it freezer burn.
That's a good tip. Hey, so that is a smart tip from Paul Bohr. Don't forget it, guys. I'll turn you guys back on once the meat is done. Right. So
there you go.
That's medium, ain't it?
That's about what you want, actually. It's yours.
I tell you what, though, that's tender.
It's done past done, so take that off.
Yeah, that's good and tender right there, that's for sure.
And, yeah, that's done. That's past done. If you want it to be tender, you can't just keep it on our cook.
Oh, yeah.
So I do mine like this right here.
No, you can tell that's tender.
I've got to have it dead. Like if we order stuff like steak salad or something.
Yeah, she does.
Dead. Extra dead.
No, got more in the bargain for it, huh? Let's see what we got here.
It look good. I'll tell you.
Is that the inner loin there? I believe it is, ain't it? Yeah.
That's medium.
Yeah.
Is
I mean,
that
that's
said,
what
like
you
the
want.
prime rib of the deer?
No, that piece I give you was, I've been cut it up so I can't really tell where it is now, Melissa. Yeah, you don't want it in there done or not.
I mean, you're a pro on that grill.
He is, man. I tell you, he look like he work at the Venison somewhere up in Vegas, boy. I tell you what, you miss your calling, brother. So, hey, the next time I cut you guys back on, the Cigar Man, we'll be doing a taste test.
Have you ever used?
And I'm gonna give my 100% opinion on it.
You got one? Yeah. You like it?
If it's not good, he may not be inviting me back over for dinner. But hey, I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about it, because I cannot lie when it comes to my taste testing now. So I'm gonna cut you guys back on once I'm knee deep in it. We're about to try this venison. Paul been bragging about. Everybody's been foaming at the mouth about it and stuff. So I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Now, like I said, I'm a venison cooker too, but you just can't eat anybody venison. If they don't know how to get the gamey taste out of it, to me, it's just no good. So let's try this here. It is tender, Paul. See here. First bite of Paul's venison.
What do you rate it? 1 through 10.
I'm trying to see if I can taste the gamey taste to it. Y'all give me time now. I gotta savor this. Wow. I can't believe it. I mean, there is no gamey taste in this.
That's what I'm saying.
There is no gamey taste in this here. You guys just do not know what you're missing. I mean, this is the first venison series. I've had all kinds of venison in my life, bro. And there's no gamey taste in this.
That was my goal.
So what do you rate it? 1 through 10?
I mean, I'm not lying, it's a 10.
High 10.
High 10. It is.
We do that because my sister, she rates everything.
I wish you guys was here to try this here, man, because this thing is very tender. And I just can't believe he knocked it out the park. Say, big ups to that, man.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Yeah, I appreciate everybody else. Anyway, I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me, guys, today. Cigar Man this is what we're going to be doing on the YouTube channel, guys. We're going to be going into different people, places, and garages. Like I said, we was over here yesterday doing a video of Paul's 56 Chevy Bel Air, and that was an awesome video, guys. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel and watch it. Classic Chevy with CJ, the Cigar Man. And I give this meal so far a big thumbs up, and this is, hey, it's 5 stars, guys. You're not going to find nobody to cook venison like this, so. Cigar Man out, and like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.